Maya, these test results are incredible.
Thank you, Mom. I studied really hard.
A perfect score again? You're remarkable.
I wanted to do my best.
Oh, Tom, how was your day?
It was fine. And your recent grades? I got a B in math.
That's nice, Tom.
Well, that's good effort.
Tom, that's still a good grade. Yeah. Thanks, Maya. This is where I feel happy. I love drawing so much. Tom, come help with dinner.
Coming.
I'm here, Mom.
Can you set the table, please? Sure.
Are you doing okay, Tom? You seem very quiet this evening. I'm fine, Mom. Just focused on setting the table.
Tom, I saw your math test.
Yes?
It's not terrible, but you could try harder.
I studied for 3 hours.
Like your sister does. She gets perfect scores.
I know.
Children, look at these science projects.
Mom, is this about my project?
Maya's organization is so precise. Natural talent. Tom, yours is creative, but it needs more structure.
I worked on it.
I'm sure you did. But see how Maya labels everything?
Of course she does. Mom, Tom's project has good ideas.
It just needs better presentation, that's all.
I have to try harder. I have to be like Maya.
2 plus 2 equals 4. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 4 plus 4 equals 8. The answer is 9.
What if I fail next time? If I'm not perfect, they won't be proud. And then I'll be like Tom.
I heard the school is cutting the art program.
Really? Well, probably for the best.
Exactly. Art doesn't lead anywhere practical.
They don't care about art.
About me.
Maya performed wonderfully in the school competition.
First place. Excellent, Maya.
Thank you.
Tom, you also competed, didn't you?
Yes. How did it go?
I didn't place.
Well, there's always next time.
Maya shows such promise, naturally gifted, while struggles basics.
I'm tired of this. Every day, I hear about Maya. I'm tired of feeling like a failure. I had something I loved. I was happy. It was art. I drew every day. Tom, your grades?
I buried it. I buried everything to be what you wanted.
I don't mind not being smart as Maya. I mind that you never felt that mattered.
You knew about this. How long have you been lying to us?
I can't believe this is happening.
I'm sorry. I didn't want you to find out.
We know you expect us to just listen, but we can't keep quiet. This isn't fair to either of us. Tom is right. I'm not okay either.
Maya, what do you mean?
I'm not happy. I'm suffocating. Being perfect is exhausting.
But you love achieving?
No. I live in constant fear. One mistake makes you turn away from me like... You turned away from Tom. I watch how you treat him when disappointed. I'm terrified of becoming him.
Success stopped being fun.
Just survival. I'm always afraid. Always.
I was raised this way. My parents always compared me to the brother. I thought I was doing better. But I wasn't.
We were so focused on wanting best. We never asked if our way was helping or hurting.
Tom, I'm sorry. Your value was never grades. It never should have been.
You don't need to be perfect. I love you for who you are. You achieve.
We know this has been hard. We love you both so much, and we're gonna work through this together.
We promise to listen more and be better.
Can I show you something?
Of course. Go ahead, son. It's okay.
We're right here when you're ready.
He should be here soon. Are you all right?
Yes, just anxious. I can't believe he's finally coming home.
We'd love to see what you've been working on, honey.
Okay, it's this one.
I drew these myself. I know they're probably silly, but
Oh, honey, these are beautiful.
they're amazing, son. We love them.
I've been drawing since I was small. Tom, these are beautiful.
The detail here. The emotion.
You have real talent.
Really?
Really?
Tell us about this one.
This is a forest I imagined. He begins to relax. For the first time, he is not hiding. I'm tired, Mom.
I know. And that's okay.
You can rest now.
I don't have to be perfect. No. Never. You just have to be you.
Can I work on my drawing here, Mom?
What are you drawing now?
A landscape. Maybe for a school project.
But also because you love it?
Yes, because I love it.
Tom, this drawing is excellent.
You have real skill.
Thank you, Dad. I got an A on my test.
That's wonderful, Maya.
Tell us about it. Are you enjoying the class?
Yes, I actually understand it now.
Are you learning in a way that feels good?
Yes, less panic, more interest. Things feel different now. Better? Better?
Yes.
Better. We're learning too.
Learning to see each of you properly.
I'm still not as smart as Maya. And I'm not as creative as Tom.
And that's perfect.
You're both exactly who you need to be.
I think I'm almost finished with this page.
Take your time, sweetie. It looks great.